To show you guys how to make these Valentine's Day sandwich cookies. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we're going to start off with 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of confectioner's sugar, mix on low speed. Then we're going to add in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Continue to mix, then add in our dry ingredients, 2 3/4 cups flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix until a dough comes together just like this. Remove 1/4 cup of that dough and dye it pink, remove another 1/4 cup and dye it red. Now I'm rolling out each dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick, and we're going to let each of these chill in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes, same with the red and the pink. In the meantime, we can make the buttercream. We're going to start with 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons. I'm using this Judy's strawberry meringue powder. This part's totally optional. Then I'm going to add 2 cups confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream until it's nice and smooth. With the colored dough chilled, we're going to cut out as many hearts as we can from it, and then we're going to place these little hearts onto the uncolored dough just like this. You can make whatever colors you want for this part. I used pink and red. Now you're going to place parchment paper on top and use your rolling pin to flatten the hearts into the uncolored dough. Now I'm using a larger heart cutter to cut out as many hearts as I can. I'm going to place this onto a cookie sheet fit with parchment paper. You can use the scraps to make tie-dye cookies. We baked these at 400 degrees for about 8 to 9 minutes, then filled it with our strawberry buttercream. As always, all my recipes are posted to my website, squeakymixer.com, or you can find it by clicking the link in my bio. Enjoy!